Hello, team owners of the 16-team USFL League. Here are Week 5 highlights. Let's jump right into it. First game on the slate is Southern Division. James Hayes with the Showboats took over for William Brackeen, who was runner-up last year, by 12 points over the Stallions, Chris Flame's team. The Showboats are 5-0, and the Stallions are 1-4. And the other two teams in the Southern Division are 1-4. They played each other this week. The Tampa Bay Bandits win by 0.4 points over the Bulls this week. J.C. Conger goes down. Tampa with Brian Tracy gets his first win. So we've got a 5-0 team in Memphis, and everybody else 1-4 in the Southern Division. In the Atlantic Division, Craig Christian's Breakers, Boston Breakers, win by 7 over Michael Summers' Stars. Really surprised by that, but Michael's lost 4 games by less than a point, a couple of them by 0.1 points. So just some tough luck there. I'm sure he's going to be in it. There is only 1 game difference between all the top to bottom in the Atlantic Division anyway. Jose with the Generals lost by half a point to the undefeated Chicago Blitz, and Darren Spencer out of the Atlantic in an out of division game lost by 6 to Ian's Outlaws. So with that said, you're looking at Boston at 3-2. New Jersey Generals at 3-2, Stars in Pittsburgh at 2-3. Anybody's game going there, 2-3, 3-2. This is where your 1-4 teams up in the Southern Division can look at that and say, well, when you're trying to get in the top 8, 1-4, yeah, you're behind the 8 ball just a tiny bit, but you're surely not out. So keep playing. Don't forget about our spoiler award. And so on with that, you got Blitz at 5-0 in the Central. You got Ian Brown's Outlaws at 3-2. And then Houston played defending champion Michigan Panthers Kenneth Beatty, and Kenneth Beatty won by 5 points over Bill Kellick's Gamblers. So in the Central Division, it's 5-0, 3-2, 5-0 for Chicago, 3-2 for the Outlaws, and Michigan is sitting right there at 2-3. Kellick 2-3, and there you go again, 2-3 teams. You guys are in it just as well. Looking forward to it. I know everybody's playing hard, so I think it's gonna get even closer than it is right now. And finally, in the Pacific Division, Kevin Perilou with the Wranglers is 3-2. He is in first place because he beat El Briscoe's, the Gurus team, the Express out there, who's also 3-2. But the Wranglers right now hold a little edge in the tiebreaker, and then Denver and Oakland are both 2-3. So out there in the West, 3-2, 3-2, 2-3, 2-3. So we're really close, guys. Have a great week. El Briscoe, I believe, is doing this coming week's previews and highlights. Thank you, man.